Hello everyone, welcome to an update. I just want to do a quick video with a quick preview of some of the upcoming builds we're going to have to do. I know I've been less than present lately. Some real life issues came up, but I think I've gotten them all resolved, so hopefully I can start getting some regular videos up. So I just wanted to put a quick video together and give you guys an idea of what is going to be coming up. Now we are still finishing the Lancer build. That car is in fact finished and has been for about 6 months, which is an indication of how far behind I have gotten, especially with my current video format, which again, if you watched my last video, is why I want to change that format. So just a quick update on a few things that I've acquired since then. The first thing is the Ducati 1199 Panigale S Tricolor. This kit is already done as well and has been for some time. This is going to be the video that will follow the Lancer video, because again, this guy's already done. With this, I did use splash paints. I used the whitest white for the white, obviously, and then I used their Ducati Rosso for the red. Turned out really great. I also used a detail up kit, which you will see when we get to that video, which will be after the Lancer. Next, I have this guy right here, which unfortunately I haven't heard great things about, but we'll see. The Pagani Huayra from Aoshima. I've heard that this kit goes together pretty horribly, but we'll see what happens. I did also get the Hobby Design detail up set, as well as some Fuel Me model stickers from Splash Paints. To paint this one, I'm going to be using Splash Paints Bronze Metallic. Something different. You don't see a lot of the bronze metallic Huayras, so I thought that'd be interesting. Next, we have an interesting idea that I had. From Splash Paints, I purchased their Ford GT Le Mans kit with the necessary paints: Frozen White, Competition Blue, Competition Red, to build the 2017 Le Mans car, which I plan on doing. However, beyond that, I've also managed to get just today the new Tamiya Ford GT kit. I would really like to build these two side by side and give you guys a comparison of which one's better. I expect it's going to be the Tamiya kit, but we'll find out. Next, the Aoshima Lamborghini Diablo GT. I've heard almost nothing about this kit, but again, I do love my Aoshima kits almost as much, if not more, than Tamiya kits. I did also get the official Aoshima detail up parts set, so we'll see how this goes. This run's probably going to be pretty far in the future. For those of you that are not aware, I do have a giant stash up. Hang on, up there on the wall. You can see there's quite a few kits up there, so I doubt we'll get to all of these, but we'll see where things go, especially since every couple weeks I'm usually buying some more. Next kit, I am not really huge into Le Mans, but the Ford GT inspired me to pick up this McLaren F1 GTR Longtail from 1998, which is the year I started high school, so that's pretty exciting. I haven't even opened this one yet. I usually open them, take a look at them, kind of feel everything out. I kind of would like to do this one all dirty and scuffed up like it is in this picture here. I don't know if I can handle that though, so I guess we'll see what happens. And the final kit in my new purchases is the Aoshima Lamborghini Wolf Countach version 1. Countach is probably the car that started my love of cars. It's just, now, it seems so ugly. When I was a kid, though, I absolutely loved it. Especially when you compare it to the Diablo and the current Lamborghinis, the Huracan. I don't know, it just doesn't appeal to me as much as it used to. So we're here on the other side of my workbench, the less pretty side of my workbench, for what I think is a bit of an exciting update. You may have noticed my paint wall over here with all my various paints on it. I had some Ammo by MIG paints over there, which you will now see are right here, along with a pretty substantial upgrade. The reason for that is because I built models when I was a kid. I stopped building models for a very long time, and then a few years ago I got back into it with building military kits. I never built military kits when I was a kid. I was never in the military, but it always fascinated me. So when I came back to model building, I came back to military kits. I recently got away from them, went back to cars, but I want to start dabbling in military kits. I know as far as modeling goes, it's kind of the trend right now. It's what everyone's into, which is fine. You do what you need to do, we do what you want to do, that's what it's all about. So I'm going to dab my hand in that. The first kit we're going to look at is the Takom M3 Lee. Now, if you follow me on Instagram at JD Scale Models, you will see there's a picture of this one already done, because I've also already finished this one. Another indication of how far behind my videos are from my real world. So you will be seeing this one probably after the motorcycle. Other kits I got with this, being that I am a huge Star Wars fan, I picked up a couple of the Bandai Star Wars kits. Now, I've built a few of these in the past. They're snapped together, which is kind of fun and interesting. And I kind of want to do a diorama with the ATST. I got a little bit of an idea with this, so we'll see how that goes. I've never done that before, so you all are going to get to learn with me. The next kit I bought is the M1070 and M1000 with D9R Bulldozer. This is interesting because I do volunteer at a military museum from time to time, although I haven't been there in a long time. And we actually had a couple of these M1070s, which are actually absolutely amazing trucks. Now, this is a 1/72nd kit, which I've never built before. So we'll see how that goes. I also picked up the Panda MATV MRAP. I haven't heard good things about this. However, if you're not aware, I do live in the state of Wisconsin, where the Oshkosh plant is located. So I thought it'd be fun to build something that came from my home state. So we'll see when we get to that. And finally, I got the Merkava Mark I hybrid. This is a tank that I'm fascinated by. It's absolutely amazing, you know, for being Israeli and all. So I'm going to build this. I'd like to get the whole Merkava run. They're on Mark 7 now or something like that. So again, we'll see how this goes and where I'm going to go next. So with that being said, we're going to see where everything goes. We're going to finish up the Lancer. We're going to do the motorcycle. And of course now my furnace is kicking on, so I'm going to have to talk over that, which is always fun. And we'll go from there. As always, if you have any questions, please post. I will do my best to answer any questions that come through. If you have any particular preference on what you'd like to see me build next, go ahead and leave a comment and we'll see what we do. Thank you, have a great day, and we'll see you next time.